moment we've all been waiting for. I won the vtoman 1800, and it is from Canada Post, so it says One Pug Life. I'm not going to show you the address, but here's the package. I've been teased, and somebody said it was going to be blocks, and somebody said they're going to charge you $500 for emailing it to or mailing it to me. But here we go. We'll find out what we got. Let's see if we got screwed or if I actually won something. It's blocks. He put them in a vtoman box. Hopefully that's not the case. I'm kind of getting excited. This is cool. Like I said, I never won anything. I bought some t-shirts and followed the directions on Pug's channel to win this vtoman power source. It's gonna be great, man. If it's in fact the box. Let's see. Uh-oh. It's vtoman decals. Uh-oh. It's more vtoman. That might be a brick too, but let's have a peek. Uh-oh. We got power sources and booklets and all kinds of shit. It's looking more and more like we might have got a real prize, guys. Is it a brick or is it a vtoman? Oh, we just kidding. They're there to watch. That's Moxie. Remember Moxie? Oh my God! Oh my God! Shit, boys! It's a vtoman. Vtoman. I really won. Oh shit. I don't know what to do, but uh-oh. It's live, 82% capacity. I'll have to figure the rest out. Oh. Thank you, Pug. Man, I watched your channel when I got diagnosed with cancer, and I watched you build a growing, and it's been a real lift for me, brother. There couldn't be a bigger fan. Thank you, brother. I just don't know what to say. Thank you so much. Thank you, brother.